How to view your purchase history on Temu. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into this video. Open up your Temu application. Make sure that you are logged in into your account. Now to view your purchase history on your Temu application, you need to tap on the U icon. From here, select your orders option from this list given to you. In here, you will see all of your purchase history, even if they are processing, shipped, delivered, or even returned. You can easily find your purchase detail right here. However, if you cannot find the purchase history that you are looking for, tap on the headset icon at the top of your screen. This will take you to the help and support page. Tap on Contact Us bubble at the bottom. In this message box, just go ahead and message you cannot get access to your payment history or your purchase history. Now the bot will ask you for some of the queries that will help it to navigate better for the purchase history you are looking for. And that is how you can recover or view your purchase history on Temu application. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.